Guys, I hope you are doing good. I hope you are fine. I'm here at the Garden Estate at this roundabout. So I was just trying to move across as I talked to few people about the effect of yesterday's demonstration, and most people are crying. Most people are saying they have lost their property. Others, the demonstrators went into their shops and they carried away their goods, so some went a loss. So guys, I'm just here at Ruby's. I'm here at Ruby's, as you can see, and as you can see, there is no more people at the filing point. It means that people are still afraid. So let us just wait until tomorrow. We see if the business will start as normal. But the effect of demonstration, what I can say it is that it brings people down. The economy of the country is being affected, heavily affected. So I just urge the government and the youths to just sit on a table and talk so that they can come to a solution.